Welcome to another fun and easy craft. Today we're making a collage about animals and the library. A collage is any piece of art made of pictures or designs found from other sources. Today we'll be finding our pictures in magazines. Before we start, we'll need a few supplies. White school glue, a cup of water, a brush, scissors, and lots of magazines so we can find the perfect pictures. Let's see what animals we can find. Ooh, how about this one? A tiger. Tigers are the largest species of cat on Earth, weighing up to 500 pounds. These fearsome big cats used to rule the forests of East Asia, but have since been hunted near extinction for their unique fur pelts. Do you recognize this haunting sound? The gray wolf. Wolves howl to gather the pack and to communicate with other wolf packs up to 10 miles away. These social pack animals can roam territories of up to 13,000 square miles. Can you name this black and white striped animal? It's a zebra. Zebras live in large packs and mostly eat wild grass. They are always on the lookout for their natural predators, African lions and hyenas. When fleeing a predator, zebras are quick, able to run up to 40 miles per hour. Have you seen this silly face before? This slow-moving mammal is a sloth. Since they have little natural defense against predators, sloths spend most of their days high in the forest canopy sleeping and munching insects, fruit, and leaves. This one is tricky. Do you know what this animal is? It's a capybara. These giant rodents live in the dense forests of South America. They are equally at home on land and water and can hold their breath up to 5 minutes. Don't worry about cutting out too much. You don't have to use everything, and you can save any leftover cutouts for another project. Now that we found some animals for our collage, let's keep looking for other pictures and words to include. We found this great full-page background, several book covers, and a few words about libraries and reading. Let's start putting together our artwork. First, mix white glue with water to thin it out. Brush the water and glue mixture on a sturdy piece of paper or cardboard and glue your background pictures on. Smooth out bubbles if there are any. Cut off any parts that are too big for the canvas. While that dries, let's figure out how we want to arrange everything. Take your time to experiment and decide what you want to put on your collage and what to leave off. Keep moving everything around until it looks just right. You might want to take a picture of it before moving on to the next step. Now all we have to do is glue everything down. Brush the back of each piece with glue and stick it on the background. Seal the whole project with another thin layer of glue. Then dab off any excess glue with a paper towel. Cut or fold back any bits hanging off the canvas and let it dry. Be sure to clean up everything once you're finished. Making art is fun, but it can be messy. We hope you'll try making your own collage projects at home. When you do, be sure to share it with us on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. To learn more about making art with collage, ask your librarian for one of the books shown here. You can find out more about collages and the animals featured in this video by visiting your local Pioneer Library or through our digital ebooks and audiobooks collection at pioneerlibrarysystem.org. See you soon!